We are switching the language in Gemini on your computer right now. If your interface is stuck in the wrong language, changing the Gemini page itself won't fix it, because Gemini pulls its language directly from your main Google profile. To fix this, open Gemini in your desktop browser. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. A menu will drop down. Move your mouse to where it says Manage your Google account and click that. This opens a new tab with your account overview. On the left-hand side menu, look for Personal Info and click it. Now scroll down through this page until you find the Web Preferences section where it says Language. Click on that option. You will see your current preferred language with a little pencil icon next to it. Click that Edit pencil, search for the language you actually want to use, select it, and click the Select or Save button at the bottom. The important thing is the trade-off here. When you change this setting, it goes both ways. It does not just change Gemini, it will also change the language across your entire Google ecosystem, including Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube. Once saved, back out of that tab and return to your Gemini tab. Click the Reload button on your browser. If the interface still shows the old language, the system is likely pulling old data from your browser. To fix this, click your profile picture again, click Sign Out, and then sign right back in. If that still fails, go to your browser settings, scroll down to Privacy, and clear your cache and cookies for the past hour. Reload the page one more time, and your interface will be updated. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.